how to create remote folders using FileZilla. This demo assumes you already have FileZilla running on your computer and are connected to a remote server. Now let's learn how to create folders on a remote server. Right-click anywhere in the remote server window, then click Create Directory. Enter a name for your new directory, then click OK. That's it! We've successfully created a new folder or directory on the remote server. Since we just created the folder, it is currently empty. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create folders on a remote server with FileZilla.